And circle the correct letter. Read, Asayon. Number 1.
It is a kind of plant. A. It is a fern. B. It is a fern. C. It is a herd.
What is the answer?
B.
Letter
B.
B. Correct. Very good, Sayon. Oh, let's encircle letter B. Good job. Number 2. Please read.
It purrs when it is hungry.
A.
A. It is a frog. B. It is a bird. C. It is a cat.
What is the answer?
C.
The correct answer is letter C. Very good. And number 3, please read.
The lady owned the necklace. A. It is her necklace. B. It is his necklace. C. It is her necklace.
And the correct answer is letter
A.
Okay, very good. Great job.